Here is how to fix the Facebook Messenger if it won't install on your Android or iPhone. First, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a strong Wi Fi or mobile data connection and try switching between them. Then restart your device. Turn off your phone, wait for 10 seconds, and turn it back on. This can fix temporary problems. Also, try clearing the Play Store cache. For that, you need to go ahead and open Settings, scroll all the way down, and go to Apps. From this page, simply search for Play Store or Google Play Store. Then scroll down, tap on Storage, click on Clear Cache. Come back, try for stopping this application or disabling it, and then enable it again. Now, from the Apps section, again search for Facebook or Facebook Messenger application. Scroll down, tap on Storage, click on Clear Cache. Come back, again try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Now also try updating your device software. For that, you need to go to Settings, Software Update, and install any available updates. An outdated operating system can prevent app installations. Also check your storage space. Go to Settings, tap on Device Care, then tap on Storage. Make sure that you have at least 500 MB to 1 GB of free storage. Delete unused apps, photos, or files if necessary. And if you have an old or duplicate version of Messenger, you can uninstall it and install it using the Play Store or App Store. And also try disabling VPN and ad blockers on your device. Then try signing out of your account and then log back in and see if the problem is resolved. If nothing else works, you can try installing Messenger Lite. It's designed for slower networks and less powerful devices. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.